Hello and welcome to another 2-Minute Tuesday where I attempt to present a topic to you in 2 minutes or less. Today's video is the first in a series that illustrates how to add user-defined fields to Epicor ERP 10. But first, a quick word from our sponsors. An arris is the sharp edge formed by the intersection of arches. Where the two complex shapes meet, a simple shape is formed. At Arris Consulting, the arris represents the point where the complex becomes simple. Whether you need implementation assistance, training, or business intelligence services, Arris Consulting is there to help your ERP system evolve. Arris Consulting. We make the complex simple. Now that our sponsors are taken care of, let's put 2 minutes on the clock. We'll get started by opening UD column maintenance. This is where we manage user-defined fields in Epicor ERP 10. From the New dropdown, we'll select New Table, because the table we'll be working with today does not have any user-defined fields in it yet. If your table already has UD fields in it, you can use the search function instead to manage the UD columns that you'd like to add. Clicking Save prepares the table for new columns. We can then select the new column from the New dropdown in order to add our custom fields. You can choose your column name and Epicor will automatically append an _C to it to indicate it's a custom field. Be sure to select the correct data type and format that you would like to use. You can optionally provide a label for when the field will show in a grid view. Clicking Save will add the field to the table. You can see a list of all the custom fields on the List tab. You can now close Epicor. For the next step, you will need access to the server where Epicor is running, as well as access to the Epicor Administration Console. Once in the Epicor Admin Console, navigate to the Database Server Management node, and then select your data server and the database that we added the custom fields to. Next, select the Regenerate Data Model task. This can take a little while to run, so we've sped up the footage here. It should be noted that while you can run the Regenerate Data Model while there are users in the system, the next step can cause system interruptions, so you're best off performing these tasks off hours so as not to interrupt your users. Now that our data model is in sync, we need to recycle the application pool. Again, note this will interrupt any active users or tasks, so use caution. Under the Server Management node, find your app server and then select the appropriate environment and choose the Recycle IIS Application Pool task. You will get a final warning about those users. And that's it! Our custom fields now exist in Epicor. Stay tuned for the next video where I show you how to add them to the user interface. Thanks for watching!